a train trip. Today, Madame Gazelle takes Peppa and her friends on a train excursion. How exciting! 10 tickets for my students and 1 for me, please, the teacher asks at the ticket booth. Madame Gazelle reminds the children not to lose their tickets, but when Station Master Pedro arrives, he can't find his. Oops, luckily it just fell on the ground. Oh, Pedro, you scatterbrain! Pay more attention, the teacher scolds him with a smile. Look, the train is coming, Peppa exclaims. Choo-choo, goes George. All aboard, says Miss Rabbit, who's the driver and operates the train. The passengers board, and when the station master blows his whistle, the train finally departs. Madame Gazelle gives a worksheet to her students. They must mark what they can see from the window next to each picture. The sheet has a boat, a railway signal, and a tunnel. Peppa and her friends love train trips and the teacher's worksheets too. Filling out the card will be as fun as a treasure hunt. Peppa and friends peer out the window, seeing only trees and clouds for a while. Look! A boat at last! It's Grandpa Dog's boat, and he waves cheerfully when he spots them. Hello, kids! Now the pupils can check off the boat on their cards. Pedro Pony isn't feeling too well. To distract him, the driver lets him sit up front and even steer the train briefly. Suddenly the train stops. It has to let Mrs. Duck and her family cross. That's a railway signal, Peppa exclaims. Hooray! The children cheer as they can tick another item off their cards. After the boat and signal, only the tunnel is left to complete the card. Ah, there it is. When you go through a tunnel, everything turns dark. The train ride's almost over and the kids finish their cards just in time. The train pulls into the station. The trip's over and everyone enjoyed it, especially Pedro, who drove and found a safe spot for his ticket. Bye, children. If you like this story, please like and subscribe for more. Bye.